every breath I'm lost in you. A world that feels so right in the fading of the stars. We dance into the night, fading into dreams where the light will find us. In this endless journey, love will always bind us. Every heartbeat whisper secrets of the night. With you here beside me, everything feels right. Through the echoes of our laughter, we'll carve our names in time. Every moment treasured like a melody in rhyme. In the tapestry of life, our colors intertwine. With you, my love, forever. Every heartbeat is divine. Let the night unfold as we chase our dreams. In this sacred moment, nothing's as it seems. Every glance we share ignites a fire so bright. In the fading of the day, you're my guiding light. Fading into dreams where the light will find us. In this endless journey, love will always bind us. Every heartbeat whispers secrets of the night. With you here beside me, everything feels right.